Smoke was coming out of there. Turns into flame, went back into smoke, turned back into flames, went back into smoke. We used the fire extinguisher.
I probably wouldn't have done that.
Why?
What kind of fire extinguisher? Oh, it's a chemical one.
This one.
Okay. Yeah, because you're not supposed to use that on the other ones. You're not supposed to use on.
The water one I know, yeah.
Okay. They're fully. They just let the unit know there's no flames, just a little bit of smoke caused by sparks coming out of the outlet.
And then it turned into flames.
Where?
Right here. It turned into flames.
Where's your restroom?
Over here. Restrooms are there. Breakers over
It's gonna be
here.
an overheated outlet. Fire.
And I'll take Yingling.